First Alert Weather with meteorologist Noel Navarro.
Welcome back, everybody. I'd be sunbathing if I were you, because once we start to cloud up overnight, here are our First Alert weather days for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Icy hazards for Friday and Saturday. Sunday, we're going to look at the snow potential with that transition of colder air. The caveat, of course, as we had that challenge last week, a shift in the system, in the pattern, could alter amounts, whether it's snow or ice. Here are the current alerts from National Weather Service. Look at this across the region. An ice storm warning for Baraga and Marquette County starting tomorrow morning. A winter storm warning, that'll be the earliest start for 5 a.m. over northern Houghton and Keweenaw counties. Winter weather advisories for the southwest. Winter storm watches for the eastern half of the region. And that after dealing with how warm we got for some areas of upper Michigan, some 50s down south, near 60 in Menominee. We certainly got some 60s around areas of Wisconsin. For today, nice sunshine. We get to enjoy it for about a couple more hours or so in the region, but we're feeling 32 degrees over in the Lake Superior shorelines, especially in Marquette right now because of that north wind. It's the setup for what's to come. Colder air with systems walking into that sub-freezing air. Here's your impact planner for tomorrow. Occasional slippery spots out there in the morning with a light mix, but then as it turns heavy, we're looking at the worst conditions for icy, slushy, wet conditions. Friday night through Saturday morning, you'll get a break in precipitation, that messy mix in the afternoon before it picks up in the evening, and that mix transitions into snow. Heavy chances for some of us on Sunday. Here's your current radar really quickly. We got a couple of wintry systems walking into our cold atmosphere in upper Michigan. The stationary boundary across the Intermountain West, that is, that'll start to pick up and move towards upper Michigan this weekend. So we'll take you to the icy hazards to watch out for with your timing. It's going to be less than a quarter of an inch on the projection through your Friday morning, but as we move forward towards the afternoon, evening hours, it gets close to quarter of an inch of that projection. We get to half an inch, that's when we're looking at scattered power outages and hazardous travel, even across mighty Mac. You got to keep in mind there. Go to MackinacBridge.org to get any updates for travel in those areas. And there's going to be another round to come Saturday night through Sunday with the ice. There's a couple scenarios for the snowfall forecast. There's high amounts for the west and northern ends of upper Michigan. That's scenario 1. Scenario 2. We got a chance for some potential of 6 inches plus of snow across the central UP. Both models agreeing that'll be lighter snow the farther south you go. You want to download that free TV6 weather app. We're also dealing with some gusty winds as well. They'll be from the east for Friday, northeast Saturday late, and Sunday they could gust over 30 miles per hour. First alert forecast for the next 3 days. First alert weather days, that is, because of the impact of that wintry mess. And then we get less messy on April the 1st, but then it could get messy again April the 2nd. Just keep that in mind. The sun will always rise again.
Yes, we have that to look forward to, Noel.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, bracing for the storm.
Absolutely.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.